Lesson 7.5, Video 3. Now we're going to take this to a whole new level, okay? And we're going to say, is there a situation where we can factor a difference of two squares more than once? Well, if we look at this question, we ask ourselves, can we root 625? And we can. Can we root x to the fourth? Well, we can root x squared. The root of x squared is x times x. And we can root x to the fourth. That would be x squared. So if we factor that, we start with our first term, and they are a difference, which is important. If it was a plus in between there, it's not considered a difference of two squares, so we can't factor. But the square root of 625 is 25 and 25. The square root of x to the fourth is x squared and x squared. We have to have a difference, okay, in order for them to be considered conjugates. Now, we would consider this done, except we want to look closely at this and say, are either of these two new binomials a difference of two squares? Well, the first one has a plus in it, so that is not factorable. But this one has a minus, so it's a difference, so that part is achieved. And I can root 25, and I can root x squared. So I can go one step further with this last one. So 25, root of 25 goes first in each parenthesis. Root of x squared goes second. Again, we have to have conjugates. And then this one just drops down. So this is your finished solution. So notice that we were able to factor a difference of two squares to get to here, but the result was another difference of two squares, so we could go one more time to there. So it was more than once that we did it. And our last one, a difference of two squares, it is the square root of 4a to the fourth is 2a squared, 2a squared. Now, just to be sure, if I take 2a squared times 2a squared, I will get 4a to the fourth. So make sure that's clear. The root of 4 to the fourth, or excuse me, b to the fourth is b squared. And again, different signs. So we ask ourselves again, are they done? Well, here we have a sum of two, okay, two terms, so that's not a difference of two squares. Over here we have a difference, which is good. I can root b squared, that's good. I can root a squared, but I cannot root 2. So this is not a difference of two squares. So this is considered finished. And this ends Lesson 7.5, Video 3.